Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be working on something which has been annoying me for quite a while on the Ducati Scrambler. Well, not exactly the Scrambler, but it is the luggage that I have bought for it like a year ago. So this is a SHAD, I believe it's an SR38 model, and the issue I have with this baggage is the key. So when the key is unlocked, you can remove the bag, no problem. However, when you lock the key, so you can't remove the bag, obviously, you cannot remove the key. So to me, this creates like a security issue. So if you need to move like a few minutes away from your bike, you're gonna have to leave the key inside, totally exposed, and someone could easily steal it. So the solution that I'm thinking of is somehow we're gonna invert the lock and turn it the other way around so that when we open, it will actually close the lock and we are able to remove the key. So let's remove the bag, put it on our bench so we can see better. We're gonna see what we need to remove the lock. So from what we can see here, it looks like it's a 10mm bolt, and also there is a big nut on the inner side which we probably need to remove also. So let's start from this 10mm bolt and remove it. Okay, so now I have removed the lock part. We don't need to fully remove the locking mechanism inside, as far as I can tell, because we can just reattach this in a different position. So what I'm gonna do now is turn the key to the lock position. So let me zoom a little bit. We can see the little icons there. So this is the lock, this is open lock, and there's another one with a lock sign. So I'm gonna turn the key just like this, and then I'm gonna put the locking mechanism just like this and reattach the bolt. So now by doing this, let's do a bit of a demonstration. So right now the locking mechanism is locked, but I can still remove the key. So that was our goal. So let's reattach the lock itself. Okay, so lock nut is now assembled. Don't make it too tight or else it will be very difficult to turn the key. So now it should work as expected. So we can see the locking mechanism now, it's on the locked position, and we should be able to remove the key just like so. And now when we unlock it, the key should be locked. So in my opinion, this is how it should have been from the start. I may have got a defective unit, maybe not. That's how it was assembled. So let's try it on the bike now. Okay, so it's now attached, and let's test it out. So right now it's unlocked position, so we can remove the bag, and now we should turn the key to lock the bag in its position. Of course, now it is locked, we can't remove it, but we should be able to remove the key successfully. So our bag is now secure, and if we have to leave the bike for a few minutes alone, people shouldn't be able to just remove the bag and run away with it like it was before. So if you have one of these bags, again this is a SHAD SR38, I believe so. and you have the same issue as me where you can't remove the key when it is locked, this should be a very easy solution. Couple of minutes to do so, and it should make your bag much safer. I hope this little trick gives you more peace of mind when leaving your bike and bag alone for a couple of minutes, and no one is gonna steal them that easily as it was before, because the key would still be attached to the bag. And that is all for this video. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.